For a long time not see.
So nice to meet everyone. It's so lovely.
Teacher Nasim, how are you, Teacher Nasim?
I missed you all, and finally we are meeting now. Sad.
Okay, now let's start our meeting. It is we will talk about the bird around the world. So today, first I will ask Miss maybe Teacher Jansi.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's talk about the birds there and then the unique birds. Yeah.
Sure, sure. Greetings from India. I love to meet everyone in all the meetings. The topic is also very nice. Thank you, Amy and Teacher Daisy. And I'm so happy to meet Ambassador Naseem sir and Sarath sir, everyone, all the teachers from around the globe. It's very nice meeting. And my student Indumati prepared slides about the Tamil Nadu birds. The birds around us. Indumati, could you please unmute and introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, I am Indumati, student of Teen English. My hobby is drawing and my ambition is artist. Today we are see about birds in Tamil Nadu.
Yes. Indumati, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Birds at Tamil Nadu. Sparrow in Tamil Nadu. The Tamil Nadu sparrow, also known as the Indian house sparrow, is just found commonly in areas of Tamil Nadu. A sparrow is a Indian house, also known as Indian house sparrow. It is a very small bird.
Indumati, your voice is breaking. Could you please sit in a place where the network is good? Your voice is breaking. We couldn't hear properly. Yeah, now the sparrows, the problem in everywhere because of the cell phone towers. The sparrow, the population has come down. That is why nowadays we are having this in every tree in my home. We are feeding the birds. We are having water everywhere so that we can care the birds. Yes, Indumati, could you read the next one?
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, it's clear now.
Yes. Crows. Crows in Tamil Nadu are typically black all over, with glossy feathers that shine in the sunlight. They have sharp beaks and strong claws. In Tamil Nadu, the crows is many, ma'am.
Yes, there are many types
There are
of
many
crows too.
crows.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Kingfisher in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, kingfishers are commonly found near rivers, lakes, ponds, and coastal areas. They prefer areas with clear water where they can spot fish easily.
Yes.
Kingfisher eat only fishes.
Yes, we live
Near to the
near,
river, lakes, ponds.
we live in our town. We have in the middle of our town a beautiful river flowing. So our time pass is watching these kingfishers. It's so nice to watch them.
Ducks in Tamil Nadu. Ducks have cultural significance in Tamil Nadu, often depicted in art and literature. They are also important in local cuisine, with dishes prepared using duck meat being popular in some regions.
Yeah,
The
in
duck
our
is one of the
region, yeah.
cuisine, ma'am.
Yes, in our homes we
region.
used to cook and we used to eat this duck's eggs a lot because it is commonly available here.
Yes, ma'am. Hens in Tamil Nadu. Hens are medium-sized birds with a plump body covered in feathers. They have short wings and legs with scales on their lower legs. It is one of also cuisine, ma'am.
Yes, in our village, every home, we used to raise these hens at our home. It's very common bird. Thank you. Thank you, Indumati.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice presentation.
Yes,
Nancy, I got some question for Indumati.
yes, please.
So the sparrow, the first bird in the slide, what is it called in your own language?
Yeah.
Indumati.
Indumati, where are you, Indumati? Indumati, what is the first bird? Sparrow. How you will be calling that sparrow in our language, Tamil? Tamil is our language. And Indumati, are you there?
Yes.
Yes. How you will be calling the sparrow in Tamil?
Ma'am, it's tell Kuruvi.
Kuruvi. Yes.
Kuruvi.
It is called Kuruvi.
Kuruvi. Nice name. Yeah.
How
Beautiful.
about the kingfisher, Teacher Jansi?
Yeah. King.
Yeah, it is called as Meen Kotti. Meen means fish. Meen
Mean
means
fish.
fish. Kotti means it is picking up the fish.
Yeah.
Picking up the fish. So we
Mhm.
call it as Meen
Nice.
Kotti.
Meen
Meen Kotti. And the duck we call in Tamil as Vathu. Vathu. Vathu means the duck. And crow means kaka because it is the
Kaka.
Yes.
Yes. And hen means kori. Kori. It is called kori.
Thank you, Jansi. Thank you, Indumati.
Yes,
Nice.
wonderful. Thank you all teachers. Yes, one student only prepared. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Teacher Jansi. Okay, next I will ask Teacher Sarah.
I'm trying to talk, but I think you cannot hear my voice. I don't know.
Now it's clear.
Now
Now
we can.
Now
we
it's
can
clear.
Right now, I'm very happy. I tried several times. Now, before that, greetings from Sri Lanka. I'm happy to join in today's meeting. With me, there are some students from Sri Lanka too. I have invited several students whom I really do not know, but their names are here. Anyway, there are some students that usually join in meetings whenever we have. So I would like to invite Sidangana. Sidangana, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right now, Sidangana, would you mind introducing yourself and have you prepared a presentation?
Yes, sir.
The other time when you called me, you told that there was no electricity in your home. How is it? How is that?
So now we have power.
Okay, right. Now, could you please introduce yourself and tell how old you are? Because there are some new students. So they
Okay.
too would like to know you. So introduce yourself and then you can share your screen.
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Sidangana and I'm from Sri Lanka. And I am 12 years old and I am in grade 7. And I learn in Royal International School. And I will now share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Okay, now we can see you.
Yeah, we can see.
Yes, we can see. We can proceed.
Hello everyone. So today I will present a presentation about birds. So let's see the contents first. Our contents are introduction and there are some 5 birds which are in Sri Lanka like jungle fowl, myna, parrots, Sri Lankan blue magpie and magpie robin. So let's move on to the next slide. First, I will introduce to you what kind of animal is this bird. So birds are vertebrate animals adapted for flight. So many can also run, jump, swim and dive. Like penguins have lost the ability to fly but retain their wings. So these birds belong to the class of aves where they have a body covered with feathers and four limbs made into wings and a beak and no teeth, and they normally lay eggs. So the first bird I want to introduce to you is the jungle fowl. The jungle fowl is the national bird of Sri Lanka. So the males are reddish orange to yellow in color, sporting a red comb. Here you can see some pictures in the screen, and the females are usually different shades of brown in color. So that is some information about the jungle fowl. Next, I will introduce you to the myna. The Sri Lankan myna builds its nest in a hole. So it normally lays 2 eggs, and this myna is 25 centimeters long birds having green glossed black plumage. So there are large white wing patches which are obvious in flight, and you can see some pictures of mynas. So the next slide is about parrots. So these are some colorful and very beautiful parrots. So they are found in almost all the countries. So they are having a curved beak, and they have 4 toes on each foot, 2 pointing forward and 2 projecting backwards. So these parrots normally eat fruits, flowers, buds, nuts, seeds, and some small insects. So these parrots are normally found in warm climates of the world. So the next bird I want to introduce to you is the blue magpie. The Sri Lankan blue magpie measures 42 to 47 centimeters in length. But this blue magpie is larger than the myna and it's smaller than the crow. With the red color beak, and its body is like bright blue with a reddish brown or chestnut head. So the blue tail is very long, graduated with a white tip. So the next bird I will talk about is the magpie robin. So this magpie robin belongs to the family of Turtidae, but now considered an old-world flycatcher. So these are very small birds, usually found in my garden, and also they are distinctive black and white birds with a long tail that is held upright as they forage on the ground or perch consequentially. So thank you for listening to my presentation.
Well, that was a
You're
great
welcome, dear.
presentation. I think she has made a great effort in making a very beautiful one. So I would like to invite our sir Nazim from Bangladesh. Would you mind telling something about Sidangana's presentation, sir?
Okay, thank you, Sharad sir, for allowing me. At first, Sitangana, your voice is as sweet as a bird, I must say. So it's so beautiful. You have presented it nicely, and you started with very smart presentation. You talk about your national bird. So that is also common in our country, but not national. We often foster that, though it's maybe in your country it's more significant. So overall, the types of birds you mentioned additionally add to my knowledge of birds. Thank you, Sitangana, and Sharad sir also.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Now, we have some other students joined here from Sri Lanka, so I would like to invite them to turn on their cameras and also to rename so that we know that they are from Sri Lanka or whether they are from another country. So could you please turn on your cameras and show yourself so that the friends who are here would like to see you. And Teacher Amy, I think you are going to give away a certificate too for the participants. Am I right?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, for that, of course, we need to know your names. So please rename yourself correctly, and at the end, there should be the name of the country. So next, I would like to invite Kavisha Chamodi. Kavisha Chamodi, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, would you mind introducing yourself, and what are you going to do today? Are you going to, give us a presentation, or you are going to make a speech?
Make a speech, sir.
You are going to make a speech. Okay, you are welcome. Now, please introduce yourself.
Okay, sir. I'm Kavisha Jamodi. I'm from Sri Lanka. I live in Kegol. I study at Hirodna Mahavidyalaya. I am 16 years old. Now today I am going to speak about birds in our country. Sri Lanka is a tropical island situated close to the southern tip of India. The bird life of Sri Lanka is very rich for its size, and 528 species have been recorded. In addition to the many resident birds, a considerable number of migratory species winter in the country to escape their northern breeding grounds. Bird distribution in Sri Lanka is largely determined by its climatic zones. Further, there are flamingo, green-billed cockerel, greater cockerel in our country. Thank you for listening.
Okay, thank you, Kavisha. Teacher Daisy, would you like to say something?
Yes, thank you so much, Kavisha, for your story about your unique bird in your Sri Lanka. Yes, I hope you can take a pic too. Yeah, in the slide. Okay, thank you, Mr. Sarah.
Yeah, okay, right now we have some other students. Let me, maybe they do not have any presentation, or because they are new today, and for the first time they are going to join us today. Malshani, can you hear me? Malshani?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. We can see you. Okay. What are you going to do today now? Are you going to show us a presentation, or you are going to say something about the birds? Now, today's topic is very interesting because we are going to talk about birds, and in Sri Lanka, there are so many birds that you can see, right? You can talk about the birds that come to your garden. Okay. Now, what would you like to say?
I am Sasni Malshani from Sri Lanka. I am 16 years old. My school is Sirodin Mahavidyalaya. Today I am going to speak about a very essential topic on birds. There are many birds in Sri Lanka. We can divide the birds into some categories. One bird is different to another bird from their body features. For instance, some birds have long beak while some birds have short beak. However, all the birds are very beautiful. They are a creation of the nature. Some birds are parrot, peacock, pigeon, penguin, crow, goose, eagle, duck, etc. There are nearly 1,000 birds species in our country. Jungle fowl is the national bird of Sri Lanka. Some people raise the birds as their pet. For example, people raise parrot, pigeon, and myna as their pet. Especially, these birds can talk with people like people. Many birds eat fruit. So birds are a special part of the nature. Thank you for listening.
Okay, very good. So we'll ask teacher. Yes. Teacher Amy, would you mind telling something about?
Yes, teacher. Thank you, Marsani, for joining firstly. I would like to say thank you for your joining today, and about your presentation. That's wonderful. You give me and give us knowledge about your country and bird in your country. Thank you so much. That's well done, you. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher Emmy. Now we have some other students. Of course, now usually there are some other students who come with presentations. They are absent today. They call me now. They told that they had been on a trip. Anyway, there are some other students now. If they like to say something, even though they are not prepared, it's time for them. So students from Sri Lanka, now if you have got anything to say, please raise your hand. Then I can give you the opportunity. I can give you the chance. If anyone here, I know that there are some other students from Sri Lanka. If you want to say something about the birds, or else we can invite students from another country. Okay, teacher Emmy, it seems that that's all from us from Sri Lanka today. So thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. So we will listen to some other students from another country. So we are waiting to listen to them.
Okay, thank you so much, Teacher Sarah, for your students' presentation and then the knowledge about the birds at Sri Lanka. Okay, next I will ask Teacher Nasim. Maybe students, can you on your camera so your friend can see you?
Thank you, Daisy. Yeah, students from Bangladesh and even other countries, let your camera open. Just let us see your beautiful faces. You see, whenever we see you, we are happy.
Right. See your
Yeah.
beautiful face. Yes, thank you, Rosetti, Adiba.
Yeah.
Give
Now,
your smile.
before going to students' speech, actually Bangladesh is located in South Asian region of the globe. So that's as a result, it's a home to a rich diversity of bird species with its varied ecosystem. Like in our country, we got forests, wetlands, coastal regions, even also agricultural lands. These different landforms actually contain different types of birds. So I got some of my students, they will present one by one. At first, Marjan, Rahman Momo. Marjan, are you there? Open your...
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Okay, may I start my presentation?
Please start.
So there are many birds in Bangladesh, and many of them live in jungles also. So I want to share my screen to see you some pictures of the birds. May I screen my share my
Share
share
your
my screen?
screen. Yeah, please do.
Okay, so I am starting first with the national bird of our country, magpie robin. So these kinds of birds are very look gooding and they can copy other birds' voice also. They live in beside rivers also and in jungles like in nature also. So these can sing many of the bird's voice they copy it. Next is house sparrow. There are many varieties of house sparrows in our country. So one of these house sparrows are very common. They live in some houses or in trees. Next is Indian parrot. There are many parrots in our country, but Indian parrot is mostly seen, like in trees
or in top of houses. And many of the people also pet these birds. They can talk if we learn them. They can talk also like humans. Next is cuckoo, the sweet voice of a bird. This bird can sing very sweetly, but they can sing only in spring, and the whole year they cannot sing. So these birds usually is black, and their eyes is also then their eyes is always red. Next is dove. This dove is common in our country. They can sing only one voice, like goo. They say goo goo always. So these birds are very common in trees. They live in trees and also in houses. Many people also pet these birds. The next is gander. This is a duck, and this duck is very mysterious because it always behaves like a king. So we always called it Rajhash because their behavior, and Rajhash means king duck. Next is crow. These type of crows are found in many areas in our country. We can see many of them, and they always eat meat because they are omnivorous. They are not omnivorous anymore. Pigeon. These type of birds are always found everywhere. We also pet these kind of birds. They fly in the sky very high. Then a beautiful bird in nature is called peacock. These type of birds are very beautiful. Their feathers are also beautiful. Some like are black, some are blue also. And also kingfisher. These type of birds live in the near a river. They eat fishes. They also go to the clear river to catch fishes. Indian moina. This Indian moina is my favorite bird because they are very playful. They hug their hair and they jump and also catch fish. They play also, then hug. This type of eagles also found in my city because in hot summer they fly in our area. So I got these pictures only.
Thank you.
I think you hope like it.
Thank you so
Yes,
much,
dear.
Marsan. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your collection of
Well,
pictures.
Yeah, now we must appreciate that she has found a lot of photographs of
Yeah.
birds, and some of the birds actually we have never seen. They are not here in our country.
That's the sweet of variety. Thank you, Sharad sir. Now I get
and
the other.
a question about hug. Where do we get the hug? Because our building is very tall. That's why they sometimes sit in our railing.
Oh, so there some pictures are taken by you.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Okay.
great.
Okay, that's good. So let us move to the next presenter. Is it Rose or Lubaba or Adiba? Who will do faster? I get 3. Rose, you will do it. Can you do it now? Unmute yourself. Rose, unmute. Yeah.
Good evening. Today I'm going to talk about birds in Bangladesh. There were so many birds in Bangladesh. Magpie robin, which is locally known as doyle. It is our national bird. Kite fisher. These birds eat fishes. Though Bangladesh is a riverine country, so there are lots of fishes here. For this reason, kite fishes are very common in Bangladesh. Sparrow is a nice and small bird. Eagle is nice too, and there are also many birds in Bangladesh like kite, pigeon, parrot, crow, ostrich, peacock, woodpecker, etc. Now I'm sharing my screen.
Yes, Rose, we cannot see the screen still now. Are you sharing it?
No.
She's trying to do that, right?
Mhm.
Set.
Yeah, finally the little one succeeded.
Yeah, yeah.
Beautiful.
Wow,
Oh,
that's
it's a real picture.
Which
Wow.
I put in front of my house.
wow,
Yes,
wow.
it is
Wow.
real picture. Nice try.
There's a banana leaf also,
Very
right?
beautiful. Very nice catch. Thank you.
Ooh, wow, it's beautiful bird.
Thank you, Rose.
I'm not
Oh.
done.
Okay.
She has
So,
Yeah, let's continue.
so there are other pictures, maybe. Or do you know something about the picture?
Wait, I'll show you.
Yeah, you can keep talking. Like, how did you take it? When do you take it like this? Anybody helped you about taking the picture? Rose, are you there?
We can't see her, but we can see her picture.
Yeah, the bird is there still, waiting for Rose, maybe.
She has got some other pictures to show. Anyway, we are waiting.
Yeah.
Okay. She has shared a file.
I think so.
Yeah.
In chat, yeah. Okay, there is another bird, and it's a real image, I think.
Wow.
That's
Yeah.
Ross. What its name?
Yeah, Rose, unmute yourself and talk. What is it?
What's
This is sparrow.
Mm.
Mm.
It's nice,
Mm.
which I captured from my balcony.
Wow,
Ah,
from your balcony. Mhm.
nice pictures taken by you, Rose. Yes. Rose, do you have more pictures? Any other pictures or these two? Yeah. So when
Thank
did
you
it
so
take
much,
this picture?
Ross.
Did she leave the meeting or maybe something must have happened? No, she's going to share. Right.
Oh, that's another real
That's
picture.
nice.
And this is the
Nice.
nest of the bird.
Just behind your home, Ross.
Maybe. Where is it, Rose?
I captured this picture from my guava tree.
Oh,
Yeah.
So that's all from my side. Thank you.
you're welcome.
Thank you, Ross.
Thank you so much, Rose.
Yeah, Rose, we got some real picture.
Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful picture.
Thank you.
May I say
You're
something to
welcome.
Rose?
Of course, sir. You're welcome. Please, sir.
Rose, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm really excited to see your beautiful photos. You yourself have captured them, so that's the most important thing. And how old are you, Rose?
8 years old.
Oh, you are just 8 years old, but when you speak, you are very clear, and your pronunciation is really nice.
Yeah.
Alright, so
Ross.
Thank you. Thank you, all of you.
thank you so much, and we liked your presentation. And Rose, we would like to see you even the next time.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay,
Well done, Rose.
well done.
Okay, so Rose is invited. Advance invitation for the next session. That's
Yeah.
great.
Now, sir, today,
Okay.
comparatively, there are less number of students
Mhm.
today. Now, today
Mhm.
we have a less number of students.
Yeah.
Usually, some other days it takes several hours for us to complete.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, we can move to the next. From Bangladesh, we got next Lubabari there. I think she just now left because sometime maybe. Okay, who else left from Bangladesh side? If you are, please raise your hand. Okay, I think that's all for the nons. That's all from our countryside, Bangladesh. So thank you, Daisy
Thank you so much,
and
Teacher
Amy
Nasim.
and Sharat sir. Okay.
Thank you so much, Rose. I really like your styles when you are sharing your bird in your house.
Thank
Okay,
you,
Teacher
Miss.
Amy? Yes, Teacher Amy from Indonesia, Belva.
Yes, we have Belva. Okay, Belva, please. Thanks, your.
Hello everyone, my name is Belva. I am 17 years old. I will tell you about birds in Indonesia. Birds in my country, in Indonesia. What is a bird? Bird or fowl are members of a group of vertebrate animals that have feathers and wings. The oldest fossil bird was discovered in Germany and is known as Archaeopteryx. Bird in Indonesia. The Indonesian Bird Organization notes that there are 1,826 bird species in Indonesia and around 541 of them are endemic bird species in Indonesia. In Indonesia, there are many types of birds. 1. Cendrawasih, Ranggiana. from Papua, Indonesia. 2 is Jalak Bali or Leu from Bali, Indonesia. 3. Merpati Mahkota Biru from Papua, Indonesia. And 4. Elang Jawa from Java. Next. 5. Kakak Tua Putih from Maluku Utara. And Telimukuan Sulawesi from Sulawesi. Burung murai batu from Sumatera. Maleo from Sulawesi Tengah. Next to Iksan. At home, I keep a bird, namely a canary. Canaries are very popular. Their melodies, singing, and easy care make many people keep them. Canaries come from are a type of small finch that originated from Macaronesian islands such as the Azores, Madeira, and Canary Island. The canaries in my house are fed seed and something. They are given vegetables such as mustard green. This is the sound of my canary.
Ada 4. Suku. Nih, surat Al-Fil sekarang.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alam yaj'al kaidahum fi tadlil. Bukankah dia telah menjadikan di petaya mereka seperti wa arsala alaihim tayran ababil.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Teacher Amy.
From our side.
Teacher
Thank
Amy,
you so
are
much.
you bird lovers too?
That's my husband.
Teacher Daisy,
Teacher Amy, the same. My husband is a bird lover too. But I
Teacher
forgot
Daisy,
to take the pic for all of you. Maybe the next week I will show you kinds of our birds in my house for the next week.
Teacher Daisy, before we move, shall we comment on Belfast's presentation? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
Teacher Sarah.
May I ask, now we have to say something about Belfast's presentation.
Yes,
May I invite one of the students from Sri Lanka to say something about her presentation?
Yes, teacher, sure.
Okay, who would like to say something about Belfast's presentation? Belfa is from Indonesia. Anybody from Sri Lanka who would like to share something about that presentation?
It was very beautiful, and I got to know about the that bird which is in Belfast house, and it is a very melodious bird, and I think its name is canary, right?
Yes, right. Thank
you so much,
you.
Nana.
That's good.
Thank you, Sindangana. for your comment.
Okay, maybe the other students want to share? Oh, maybe Arindam
Arindam from Bangladesh.
Arindam.
And there are several students from Sri Lanka.
Oh yeah, Sona Samita.
Sonal, now they have joined for the first time and they don't know exactly what's
Oh,
happening
yes.
here, but they have
Okay.
just joined C, but they can introduce themselves, right?
You're
Sonal,
right.
would you mind tell us something about you, your name, and you can tell how old you are, and you can tell something about your family. Sonal, would you mind telling us something, Sonal?
My
Yes,
name
great.
is.
Hello, Sonal. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
Okay, great. Do you love some bird? Or maybe you know some bird in your country? Have you ever seen bird?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you know what kind of the bird you ever seen? Maybe. Maybe you can see some chicken. Maybe chicken is also kind of bird, right?
Oh, yes.
Yes. Okay, thank you for joining and looking forward for your joining next session.
Thank
Okay?
you.
Yeah. Thank you, Teacher Sarat.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, Sonal. We want you to join the next time.
Next students, maybe Pojani.
Poojani, right? We don't know from where she is. Poojani can be a student from Sri Lanka, or maybe she's from India. She has not mentioned the country.
Nawajita. Hello, Nawajita.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yeah, his sister
Yeah.
is there. Sorry.
Navajita Subasinghe. Okay, go on. Say something. Please tell us something about you first.
Oh, she left.
I'm in grade
Oh, let's introduce yourself, Nawa.
I'm Tedara. I'm 11 years old. I'm in grade 7. I love photography.
Oh, good. She's just a little girl of, I think, 11 years old. It's good that you have joined us today. She says that she loves photography.
Okay, thank you, Nawa.
Thank you, Nawa. Is she from Sri Lanka?
Yeah, she's from Sri Lanka, right? So,
it is her first time.
Yeah. She
Yeah,
has
I
joined us
think.
for the first time.
Thank you so much. So
It's
I
good
hope
that she has joined.
Nawa can join next meeting next Sunday.
Yeah.
Okay, how about the other students? Sumudu is from Sri Lanka or Bangladesh?
Sumudu, would you mind telling us something now?
Oh, yes.
Hello, sir. Actually, I'm Dinoli's mother.
Oh,
She's
Okay.
yeah.
We'd like to hear from you. Now, it's okay.
my daughter is very shy to talk.
Oh, yes, thank you so much,
Thank you so
ma'am.
much.
Yeah, to join our meeting today.
Teacher Sumudu, now Sumudu is a teacher and she's a friend of mine.
Oh,
She
yeah,
told us,
yeah.
she wanted her daughter to join us today.
Mm-mm.
And anyway, we saw her. We saw Sumudu's daughter, and we want her to join us the next time.
Okay.
She won't be shy
Okay, so
anymore.
wait.
Okay, Teacher Amy.
Yeah, okay, thank you, Teacher Sumudu. Maybe Arindam, are you there?
Yeah, she's still there.
Please, I'm not ready now.
Oh, okay, okay, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kafisha, I see Kafisha. Kafisa, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Would you like to say something?
It is very nice presentation.
Okay, thank you, Kafisha. And one more student I seen, but she or he not open the camera, or maybe that's all, Teacher Desi.
Yes, yes, Teacher Amy. Okay, so thank you, Teacher Sarat, Teacher Nasim. Oh, yes, Teacher Nasim has left. Okay, students, so thank you so much for joining our meeting. I hope I can meet you next Sunday with the different topic.
Yeah.
Okay, can you open the cam so we can take the pic? Yes. Sadasanos, open your cam. So give your beautiful smiles.
Yeah, so that we can take a beautiful picture.
Okay, smile, please.
Okay, good.
Okay, I will count.
Ada? Yeah, okay, Teacher May, let's count.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I got one. And maybe one more.
Okay, one more.
Okay, hold on, please. Okay, please smile. 1, 2.
Please, I am ready.
Oh, yes, okay, okay, yeah, yeah.
Okay, smile first and we will hear from you, okay?
Yes. Let's smile.
Okay, come on. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you. So let's hear from Arinda.
There are many kinds of birds in my country, Bangladesh. Some of them are crow, eagle, sparrow, bulbuli, etc. If I catch a bird with a professional photographer, I will hang it in a wall. In my place, crow, eagle, sparrow, bulbuli, etc. are present. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Arindam, for your sharing. Yes, I hope I can meet you. Yes, I can. I hope next Sunday I can meet you again. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Teacher Amy.
Thank you, Arindam. Okay,
Thank you,
yeah, you're welcome. I think all students already present. So thank you, Teacher Desi, Teacher Sarat, and all students from over the world. We will meet next Sunday or maybe Saturday. Okay, thank you so much with another topic. Thank you so much.
Good night.
Good
Bye.
night.
Bye.
Bye. Good night.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye, teacher.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.